Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most exciting topics of our time, how you can earn real dollars using artificial intelligence, AI, in 2025. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just someone looking for a new source of income, AI offers endless opportunities. So, stay tuned till the end because I'll share the top AI methods that can help you make money even from home, without any big investment. In this video, I will tell you 6 ways to earn money using AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a system that can think, learn, and perform tasks just like humans, but faster. From writing and designing to coding and creating videos, AI tools can now do almost everything. Companies around the world, especially in the USA, are investing billions in AI technology. That's why people who know how to use AI tools are earning more than ever before. Imagine this. You use AI to create a logo, write an article, or make a short video, and someone pays you for that. That's how people are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month online. The first way to earn with AI is through freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com allow you to offer services using AI tools. For example, use ChatGPT to write blogs, YouTube scripts, or product descriptions. Use Canva or Adobe Firefly for AI graphic design. Use ElevenLabs or Play.ht for AI voiceovers. You can create gigs like, I will write a blog using AI, or I will design your YouTube thumbnail using AI. Clients don't care if you use AI. They care about quality and delivery time. Another amazing way is YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face or record your voice. Here's how it works. 1. Use ChatGPT to write a script. 2. Use Pictory, Synthesia, or HeyGen to generate AI videos. 3. Add an AI voice using tools like ElevenLabs. 4. Upload and optimize with good SEO keywords. Once your channel grows and gets monetized, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Some people are making over $1,000 per month just by uploading AI-generated videos regularly. If you're a creative person, you can use AI art generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E to create digital artwork and sell it. You can upload your art on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. For example, you can design t-shirts, posters, wallpapers, or digital prints. Every time someone buys your design, you earn a commission, sometimes even while you sleep. You can also earn by writing AI-assisted ebooks. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Sudowrite can help you create books quickly. Here's how. 1. Choose a topic people search for, like self-help, fitness, or online business. 2. Use AI to write chapters. 3. Design a cover using Canva AI. 4. Publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Each time someone buys your book, you earn royalties in dollars, and the best part is, it's completely passive income. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way. You can promote AI tools like ChatGPT Plus, Canva Pro, or Grammarly through affiliate programs. You just need to 1. Join affiliate websites like PartnerStack or Impact Radius. 2. Get your unique referral link. 3. Create YouTube videos, blog posts, or social media content recommending these tools. When someone buys a product using your link, you get paid in dollars. If you have a little technical knowledge, you can create AI apps or chatbots. Platforms like GPTS by OpenAI or Glide Apps allow you to make no-code AI tools. You can sell access to your chatbot or charge for premium features. Developers in the USA are earning thousands monthly through AI-powered tools and websites. So, whether you're in the USA or anywhere else in the world, AI has opened the door to countless income opportunities. You don't need a big setup, just your creativity and consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below which AI method you want me to explain in detail next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.